Hey everyone, I hope that you're doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to ask you to kind of just bear with me. Just bear with the background noise. I'm still about a 40-minute ride from home, and I decided to pull over and try to record this part. I have about maybe 15 minutes of sunlight left, and I just figured that it would just be better to record everything in one shot. So if you could bear with me on that. Also, I probably look pretty tore up from riding around all day. But anyways, I recently switched the tires on this bike. I hadn't been using it for a little bit. I also got it serviced. I've had this bike since 2005, and it's all stock right now. Maybe at some point I'll do some modifications to it, but it's just pretty much an all-stock bike. It's not the coolest looking bike, but every time that I'm on it, I feel a tremendous sense of gratitude. I think some of the most beautiful landscapes, some of the most beautiful scenery, the most beautiful sunsets I've witnessed while riding this bike. And yeah, so anyway, so I had been in front of the computer just like I always do, and then I get to this point where I just can't take it anymore, and I decided to head out to the Azusa Mountains, and that is what you're going to see today. I took the Fuji X70 with me. In fact, all of the pictures that you're going to see in today's episode, all of the video, including the video that you're seeing now, it was all shot with the Fuji X70. I basically just put it on a neck strap, and I made it up really high, and then I built this like little strap to strap it to my chest. But it would shake a lot and it would fall down a little bit, and so the footage might be a little shaky. Just kind of bear with me on that. And yeah, it's just a very simple episode, like this entire channel. This video was born out of a need to cope and out of a need to express and share. And so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and play the first clip, and I hope that you enjoy today's episode. It's interesting because I'm not enjoying the ride as much as I was at first. At first it was all amazing. Now it's a little lonely, if I'm being honest. But that's how it is. You know, when you take these trips, it can be a little lonely. I typically tend to ride by myself, and I'm not one of those people that has to be with other people. I can be alone, and I can be okay alone. But being okay alone doesn't necessarily mean that I always want to be alone. And I notice that sometimes when I go on these rides, I'll see something really, really amazing, and I will think, this, for me, would probably be a more enriching experience if I could share it with someone who I love. I think that goes for anybody that I love. It could be a family member or a good friend, but definitely I think that there's a part of me, the man inside of me, that yearns for the company of that one woman, you know, which I don't have in my life, but that's part of the goal. And maybe that's a little too personal, and maybe I'm being a little bit more open today because the road has that effect on me. The next segment that you're going to see, I was, riding, and I saw this car. It's a Honda Fit, just like mine. I have a Honda Fit as well, a white one, exactly like this one. And whoever was in that car, they had backed up the back of the Honda Fit to the edge of this, I don't know if a cliff is the right word, but like this really steep hill or edge of the mountain. And I remember thinking, whoever's in that car, they figured it out, like they got it right. That's definitely something that I want to try out in the future. I'm going to go ahead and play this last clip. Overall, it was a really, really great day. Very meditative, freeing experience. And I thought that I would share it with you. And I wish you all a good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on when you're watching this. And I will see you in next week's episode. Take care. I was about to go home, but I just thought I just had to take a picture of this car. I just think it looks so beautiful. With the sun going down the way it is there. I was hoping to catch the owner because he drove by with a bunch of dogs. I was hoping to catch him and maybe ask him for a portrait, but he seems to have maybe taken them for a walk or something, maybe.